In this video, let's see what cells are inside this laptop battery. The manufacturer is written Simpolo. The model is AS09D70. It is rated at 56 watts and 11.1 volts. If we divide 26 watts by 11.1, we'll see around 5 amps, and there are two cells in parallel, so we can expect 2.5 amp hours per battery in the pack. Let's see what's inside the battery pack. Okay, the cells look like Samsung 28 amp hours. It's not focused again. Try and oh, come on. Just believe me, it is Samsung ICR18650-28A. So they are 28 milliamp hours. It was not what I expected, because these cells are greater than the ones that are with this rating here. Let's open the other one and see what's inside there. I damaged the head shrink of the battery a little bit, but that's okay. I'll put another one. So these batteries are the same. They are ICR 18650-28A, which are 28 amp hours, 2.8 amp hours. Let's open the other one, the last one, and see we will have any surprise there, or it will be the same batteries. Here it is, the third one. Again, we have the same batteries, ICR 18650-28A. If you like the video, if you enjoy it, subscribe, like, share.